Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
引きこもり
which means Japanese term used to describe reclusive individuals who withdraw from society and often isolate themselves in their homes for months or years. Let's say it all together.
引きこもり
One more time.
引きこもり
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one. Hi, ki, ko, mo, ri. Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.